Presenting a pre-owned 2022 BMW. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with all-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child, seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and automatic climate control.